welcome to our channel Rapid English. Today we will learn the textual MCQs of class 10th chapter's name Test of Snow. So its writer's name is Robert Frost. So let's start. Question number 1 is the crow shook down the crow ने पेड़ को हिलाकर पोएट पर क्या गिराया? And the options are tree, leaves, dust of snow, poet. So the right answer is dust of snow. Crow shook down dust of snow on the poet. Why does the poet call it dust of snow? Poet ने इसे dust of snow क्यों कहा? And the right answer is poet called it dust of snow because snow particles were too tiny. क्योंकि snow के जो particles थे वो बहुत छोटे छोटे थे. That is why it looks like dust. That is why he called it dust of snow. Question number 3. The poet says, of a day I had rued. What is the meaning of rude? So the right answer is rude means held in regret. पश्चाताप करना ये रूड का मीनिंग है. Question number 4 is the poet changed. Option A heart, option B mood, C luck, D face. So dust of snow changed poet's mood. The right answer is mood. Question number 5. What uplifted his mood? किस चीज़ ने पोएट का मूड अच्छा कर दिया था? So we all know that falling of snow on his shoulder uplifted the poet's mood. Question number 6. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? So rhyme scheme is counted by the last word of the line. How is it is rhyming? That makes its rhyme scheme. So the right answer is B. A B A B C D C D. Next question is name the poetic device used in the line has given my heart. उस poetic device का नाम बताइए जिसको इस लाइन में यूज़ किया गया है. Has given my heart. So we all know that in a line if any letter of the word is repeated many times, so in that line alliteration comes. So here alliteration is used. Next question, name the poetic device used in the line and saved some part. उस poetic device का नाम बताइए जो इस line में and saved some part में use हुई है. So I just told you that in any of the line if a letter is repeated more than one time, so there alliteration poetic device is used. So the right answer is alliteration. Question number 9. What does dust of snow represent? Dust of snow क्या represent करता है? So dust of snow represents the healing power of nature because the poet was very sad and after getting dust of snow on his shoulder which is shook down by the crow, so he became happy. So the right answer is healing power of nature. Next question. What are the two negative creatures that Frost used as a carriers of positivity? So in this poem कौन से ऐसे दो नेगेटिव क्रिएचर्स हैं जिन्हें फ्रॉस्ट ने पॉजिटिविटी के कैरियर्स के रूप में यूज़ किया है? एंड द राइट आंसर इज हेमलॉक ट्री एंड क्रो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. द क्रो एंड हेमलॉक ट्री सिम्बलाइज. क्रो और हेमलॉक ट्री किस चीज़ को सिम्बलाइज करते हैं? सो दे ऑल सिम्बलाइज सॉरो बिकॉज दे आर नेगेटिव क्रिएचर्स. Question number 12. Who is the poet of the poem Dust of Snow? Dust of Snow के poet का नाम. So in the starting I told you about this that Robert Frost is the correct answer. Next question. What did the crow shake on the poet? Crow ने क्या shake किया poet को? So it was repeated in the first question also, that crow shook down dust of snow on the poet. Next question, the dust of snow affected the poet by. Dust of snow ने poet को कैसे affect किया? So dust of snow changed his mood. The right answer is changing his mood. Next question, where was the crow sitting? Crow कहाँ बैठा था? And the right answer we all know very well, that crow was sitting on the hemlock tree. Question number 16, what has the poet saved in the poem Dust of Snow? Poet ने Dust of Snow में क्या बचाया? So dust of snow saved him some part of the day, because the poet was very sad, and when dust of snow shook down on him, then he became happy. So this in this way he saved some part of the day and became happy. So friends, I hope you all will like my video. So keep watching my video, like, share and subscribe also. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to watch my next video on my channel Rapid English. Bye bye.